treat yourself to a test drive in the 2011 Infiniti G37. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Infiniti infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a power seat, rear parking sensors, a rear seat entertainment system, and seat memory. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, a 9GB hard drive, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.